Hi, this is Gary. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to calculate GPA. Now what I've got below on the left here is a scale of grade points from A to D minus. We'll call this our grade scale. What you don't have listed is F, which is going to count, or fail, which would count as 0 grade points, and that's something you don't want towards your grade point. Another key point here is there's the pass, no pass, or PNP. Those are not counted in GPA. Incompletes are no grade points, and they have no effect on GPA, and the same is true with withdrawals. W, they have no points and no effect on GPA. I'm going to go ahead and shrink this down here. Now we're going to do a sample, and then we're going to figure out how we calculate GPA. Now I've got Acme sample here. That's a student in their transcript on the top part here. And they've taken a bunch of courses. The first course, biology, they took 4 credit hours, and they got a B minus. So the grade points you see there, the 10.8 is 4 times a B minus of 2.7. Now for the History 107 class, they have 3 credit hours attempted, and they have a grade of a C+, so we multiply 3 times 2.3, which comes out to be 6.9. For the English 150 class, we have 3 credit hours times a B. A B is a 3.0 grade, 3 grade points, and 3 times 3 is 9. Now the Math 110 class here, they took it as a pass, no pass, and they passed, so it's not counted toward a GPA, and it's not counted toward attempted credit hours. And then we have the last class, P120. We had 3 credit hours, and we have 4 grade points times 3 credit hours will give us 12 grade points there. Now if you add up all the grade points together, we get a total of 38.7 grade points, and we have 13 credit hours attempted, even though there's 16 on the list, because 3 were for Math 110, which we decided to take pass, no pass. So I'm going to shrink this up here, and if you look on the bottom, the formula for calculating GPA, which is what we want to know, is the total grade points divided by the total credit hours attempted. In this case, we have 38.7 total grade points divided by 13 total credit hours attempted. So the GPA is going to equal 38.7 divided by 13, and that's going to equal 2.98. which comes out to be about a B. So our grade point average in this case is 2.98. Let's say, for example, and I've got that white below here, let's say how would our GPA change if the Math 110 class, instead of a pass, no pass, was we took it and we got a C. Well, let's go back. See here, we got a C is 2 grade points. We're going to add that in the math portion there. Now we've changed that to a C, so 3 times C, which is 2, is 6, so we have 6 grade points there. Now if we add up our total, we get 44.7 total grade points, and we now have 16 credit hours attempted instead of 13. So our GPA is going to equal that 44.7 total grade points. I'll put that in there, and it's going to be divided by the 16 total credit hours attempted. We'll put the 16 in the bottom right there, and that gives us a total of 2.79. So our new GPA in the top right hand corner is going to equal 2.79, which is in the B minus to B range, but it brought us down from a solid B to a B minus. And that in a nutshell is how you go about calculating GPA. Thank you for watching.